Hi, I'm Dale, and this is another CLS Toronto Spec Talk. Stay tuned. I'm Dale Parks from Cooper Lighting Solutions Spec Team in Toronto. Today I'll be looking at the all-new Drum Acoustic Luminaire series from Shaper. Noise is a leading source of employee dissatisfaction in offices. In a University of California, Berkeley study, workers talking on the phone and overhearing private conversations were the source of acoustic concerns for 86% of the respondents. Another survey reported that 60% of the respondents said they could get more done if their workplace was quieter. As with every design, there are positives and negatives. The office space of 20 plus years ago had high partition walls, making it good for concentration and privacy, but not so good for collaboration. These spaces were not easily configurable to meet the needs of changing business dynamics. Areas even had higher energy costs due to heating and cooling pockets throughout the space. Long before the COVID pandemic, along came a revolution in office workspace design in the form of the open office concept. This helped promote collaboration and allowed flexibility in workplace mobility within modular workspaces. This was also more energy efficient as it was cheaper to condition the open spaces. But this now created more disruption and distraction, so concentration and productivity went down. Occupants had less privacy than ever before. So as we observed construction trends and changes, we noticed that the building floor-to-ceiling spaces started to shrink as the construction industry was able to get more equity in the number of floors. So as these floor-to-ceiling spaces started shrinking, the plenum spaces started to decrease, and we noticed that our lighting fixture depths also started to shrink. Manufacturers reduced luminaire housing depths from 6 to 7 inches down to less than 2 inches. So in response to this growing trend, the architecture and designer community removed the acoustic ceilings to open up these spaces, effectively creating an industrial look, leaving exposed ductwork, cable trays, power conduits, etc., to create the open office space design. With the introduction of this more industrial look also came complementary hard surfaces like wood, glass, and concrete. So in a combination of these trends and office design today, we are taking back the ceiling plane with integrated lighting and acoustic products to help provide solutions for the unwanted noise issues that are prevalent today. Cooper Lighting Solutions has partnered with FilzFelt, the leader in acoustic materials, to produce acoustic-centric lighting. So, we are introducing the Shaper Sense Duo Drum, Trio Drum, Index Dimensional Drum, and Ribsy Drum. The Shaper Sense Duo Drum is available in 3 light levels, in 3000, 3500, and 5000 K color temperature, with 80 and 90 CRI options. The decorative cover aircraft cable collector assembly is available in either white, black, or silver finish. The polar plot shows the light distribution of 55% up and 45% down. TM30 data is also very good for both the fidelity and gamut values. For the acoustic portion, there are 66 felt colors on the barrel of the fixture, as well as 66 choices in the border edge band color. Shaper has raised the bar in terms of technical information with the number of specification sheets and details like the recommended maximum and minimum distances for mounting. There has been some new additions to the specification sheets as well, like tables showing the range of light levels to lumen levels, wattage, and efficacy. The UGR tables have also been included and are useful for determining both well and lead points. Even cleaning recommendations for the light engine portion has also been included. Information on cleaning the acoustic material is available on the acoustic analysis page. Felt can be steam cleaned up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius. As viruses can only live up to 157 degrees Fahrenheit, 69 degrees Celsius, this is applicable for all spaces like hospitality sections in healthcare. The acoustic substrate can also be cleaned with dilutions of disinfectant materials. The Shaper Sense Trio Drum follows the same lighting options as the Duo. The difference is in the felt pattern and how to select them. FilzFelt has created unique designer patterns with a special panel collection. With all of these choices, the ShaperSense Trio drum offers over 5.7 million SKU variations, making it ideal for any space. The steps to building out a trio drum are easy. First, select the overlay pattern design. Select the overlay pattern felt color. Then select the base layer felt color. Finally, select the border edge band. So, with Trio Drum, you get 3 felt color selections in addition to 1 designer pattern. This also can be incorporated into an overall design with any FilzFelt hanging panels. And as with the Duo, this is the offering of the specification sheets that include the pattern choices and all other features of the drum series. The ShaperSense Index Dimensional Drum captures light and shadow in a pattern of repeated and staggered rectangles and offers 8 standard pattern and textured options. There are 4 neutral colors that are among the most popular, to some combinations used by FilzFelt. These acoustic panels are handcrafted in the US by artisans commissioned for FilzFelt. They have wall coverings in the same textures and now can be complemented with these light fixtures. The ShaperSense Ribsy drum has a deep rib texture created with thick wool felt strips oriented on edge in alternating depths. This textured pattern creates subtle color variations between the felt strips that create a rich depth and texture. The Ribsy drum comes in 3 standard neutral colors, but the border edge band is available in the standard 66 felt colors that can add a level of design interest. The specification sheets for the Ribsy drum are also as detailed as the other products. At the heart of the ShaperSense Acoustic Luminaire series is the Circle, and is itself a standalone pendant fixture that can be specified without acoustic options. The Circle is a floating transparent disc of light that is 1/2 inch thick and 25 inches in diameter. This light engine is a standalone pendant that provides 55% uplight and 45% downlight. Available in 3 color temperatures and in 80 or 90 CRI options. The decorative canopy and aircraft cable collector are available in white, black, and silver. The floating disc is available in lumen packages ranging from 3,000 to almost 9,000 lumens, depending on the light level. The Luminaire is 89% transparent, allowing natural daylight to pass through when the Luminaire is off. The Circle spec sheet is available in the same format as the drums. In addition to the acoustic section of the Shaper Brands page, you can find the Circle in the Performance Pendant and Pendant Sections brands page on the Cooper Lighting Solutions website. We know this is not just a high-performing light fixture both for lighting and sound absorption, but this variation plays well into the aesthetics of a space. You can see how just the subtlety of color changes can create drama or play into the neutrality of a space. The textures of the products are resounding, and even in a monotone look, cast notable shadows, like in this trio example. And even in the safe zone of a white pendant, the accent color can be wild and have a bold and fun undertone. Let's take a look at some applications. The Duo drum can be used in many spaces, including hospitality healthcare areas, like lobbies. In this instance, the drum picks up on the colors of the acoustic wall panels. This can help tie the space together, making every design decision purposeful. Even in distance settings, it is even more impactful to use sound-absorbing and blocking fixtures in spaces with hard surfaces. The ability to actually have a conversation in a typical noisy setting actually gets better and creates a space more inviting to stay by adding in this type of acoustic lighting product. The minimalistic floating disc of Circle brings about this unobtrusive elegance that makes a great fit for ambient lighting. The standard hanging panels offered by FilzFelt show continuity in being able to pick up on these patterns and use them on the lighting fixture itself. This design space becomes very intentional and cohesive. The use of the subtlety of colors together create a unified look. Using color as the strength and thread of a space are key in exceptional design. The boldness of the 66 felt colors and patterns available bring about attention where it is wanted, all while quietly providing outstanding lighting and sound control. The ShaperSense Acoustic Luminaire series is available now. Please reach out to your Toronto specification sales rep at clstoronto.com. And while you're at it, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for more updates. Until next time, thanks for watching.